Math problem. Education Ministry targets the area amidst decline in grade 4 numeracy and literacy test results. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, deportees. Scores of people heading to Jamaica tomorrow.
Sentence: a judge decides what will happen to the Shortwood College principal who was recently convicted.
Dishonest behavior. Why the General Legal Counsel used that term in its ruling against noted attorney Harold Brady.
Recovered Andrews Memorial Hospital finds a vital piece of equipment. An update on a story we brought you last night.
In the business news niche market, Grace Kennedy carves out a bigger niche in the financial services sector.
There is also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
What can be done to help children master math and English at the grade 4 level?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.